This is the Frugal Gardener, and it's moving day. Well, sort of. Today, I'm transplanting these from the indoor garden from here to here in my mini greenhouse. Stay with me. So I ended up cutting this piece off, the plastic off, because, well, I anticipated having this problem because I should have removed these about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. They grow pretty fast indoors in my indoor garden, so I lost some of the roots, but I think it's going to be okay. I'm not going to fool with this cork in here. I'm just going to plant it as is, and it should be okay. So I'm going to do 2 today, and I'm going to wait until they root and see how things go, and then I'll plant the other ones. But for the purposes of today's video, I'm going to just do these 2, plus I have a few more on the other side that I have in starter cups. So this is the second collard green plant. I've been going back and forth between the first side of the greenhouse, mini greenhouse, and the second part. I decided to use this one because it was smaller, so it was easier. I'll just get this little label off and then pop this one in, and then I'll show you guys, for lack of a better way of putting it, the finished product. Okay, I should have thought of this earlier. When I first planted these collard greens indoors, 2 of my plants did not germinate. So I planted these 2 about maybe 2 weeks ago, and since they've already rooted, and as you can see they're doing pretty good, I'm going to just pop these 2 in, and instead of trying to fight and struggle with the rest of them that I have, which I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those yet, but this way I'll have 4. I have a bad habit of overcrowding my garden, so I don't want to put too many in. These are going to get quite large. This over here is mustard greens. My mustard greens that I thought were not growing in my rustic garden, I call that area 4. So this is going to go in there, but that's for another video. Right now, I'm going to put these 2 in, and then I'll be complete. So here it is. These are the new additions. So right here, this one here, and this one here. These are the collard greens that I transplanted from indoors to my mini greenhouse. This was already here. There were a few already growing, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 new ones. I have space for probably 1 or 2 more. I want to do carrots in this area here and in this area here. Back here on this side is going to be broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These are Brussels sprouts that I just took from the starter cup. Also Brussels sprouts from the starter cup. So Brussels sprouts, collard greens over here. So that's it for today. I wanted to give you guys this update on my endless summer garden. I'm going to probably throw in maybe 2 or 3 more over here. I don't want to overcrowd it. And I'm going to probably put in 1 more, maybe 2 over here, which I shouldn't really do more than 1, but these things get pretty big and I don't want to overcrowd it. Like I said, it's a bad habit I have. But we're doing good. Things are looking well. I'm going to give you an update on the other 3 sections of my garden. This is my new addition over here, and I have 2 more sites on the other side of the yard. I'll give you updates updates on those guys also. So for now, this is the Frugal Gardener. I hope you guys have a great day. Remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you later.